Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce capital gains tax with TurboTax step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and log into your account. Select the tax year for which you want to file your return. Navigate to the Federal section in the main dashboard. Click on Wages and Income to start entering your income details. Scroll down to the section labeled Investments. Click on Start next to Stocks, Bonds, and Other Investments. Enter details about you. Be sure to include the cost basis for each asset you sold. TurboTax will calculate your capital gains or losses. If you have multiple transactions, utilize the import feature for efficiency. Look for the Deductions and Credits section in the menu. Click on Start next to Deduct your capital losses. Enter any capital loss details to offset your gains. Review any available deductions, such as the standard deduction, which may reduce your overall taxable income. Proceeds to the Review section to identify potential errors or overlooked deductions. Make any necessary adjustments based on the review feedback. Finalize your return by confirming all information is accurate. Continue to the File section to choose your filing method. Select e-file or print and mail your return based on your preference. After filing, take note of any correspondence from the IRS regarding your capital gains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.